off your phone. Maybe if you weren't on your phone, you would have had a bit more planning. Yeah, we're moving as well, my love. You can't see anything. She's still sat there. She's still sat there. Wow. Especially on a big, busy spiral roundabout, you need to pay attention more than this. Junction. What do you do with a right turn, Lucy? Try and find the car that you're going to follow onto the roundabout.
Okay.
Good, well done. Let's work.
One.
Good. Is this one turning right from the left lane? Yeah, it's a taxi. Check this side. Is there anyone else? No.
No.
Perfect.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And expect that of them, because honestly, they have that mentality.
Yeah.
And look how far it got them as well. Typical.
I get a taxi over weekends and I'm like down the back of the car.
It doesn't surprise me. Good job. Then only a couple of minutes up the road, the Audi tries to have a go from the other side. Yeah, good man. So discover as you do it a little more, yeah? Good. Next available road on the right. Well, have a look. The taxi's just gone. He's realised. Down a no entry. So it's this one here. Yeah. Make sense? Good. This one might need a little explaining. Watch the smart car pass on the left and watch where they go. Watch the lights change now for us. Maybe you did. And he just decides just to...
Yeah, you gone from behind us as well,
yeah, you did, yeah.
Come over to the left.
Have a look.
Because it turns left.
It does, so therefore it's not this left lane, is it? Don't slow down, mate. Don't slow down. Check your right side out. We're alright, go on, glide across before this one gets to you. You just needed to not slow while you were deciding. Yeah? Now don't race through. That's the wrong thing to do. What a manoeuvre that is.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And learn to do that sometimes. Crossing's okay, although this van's overtaken on it. What an absolute idiot.
I know.
That's lethal, that is really dangerous. If there was someone walking in front of us,
They
you
would have
imagine
got-
they would
yeah,
have
they
been,
would
they
have
would have
been
been
it.
brown bread.
Yeah. And look, he's at the traffic lights anyway, so...
You're not wrong, Karen. You're absolutely spot on. What could the lights do? Check your mirror, lift, use brake. Come on, Anita, come on! Well done. Good.
Should we concentrate a bit better now, shouldn't I?
Yes. Okay. Every single set
Yeah.
you've got to be ready for
Yeah.
and ready to stop.
Yeah.
Watch the van on the right. And this is just comical. Get people driving through stuff like that. It's awful. It's disgraceful behaviour. That. Where's he going? It's an interesting one, that. Someone doesn't know what to do roundabouts. Seriously, we're going to overtake there just to turn left. That sums it up. Then the car in front's getting on with it perfectly well. This lane, yeah, we're not turning left, so we don't want to go behind the van, but if there's a choice, take the left of the two. Good. See the van? Just go straight through her there. Ready?
What's the wait?